If your screen on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max is yellow or orange like mine is right now, in order to solve this issue, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then choose Display and Brightness. And after that, we can go to the Night Shift option. In here, Night Shift can, of course, toggle this color, this warmer color temperature, and apply this filter. Of course, we can still adjust the color temperature and make it less orange-ish. And if you want to, of course, we can just disable the night shift completely. There is a chance that you have this option scheduled, so it can manually, well, not manually, automatically actually, turn back on after some time. So if you don't want this to happen, you can turn off the schedule. And also, if the night shift is disabled, but still you have this orange-ish filter or yellowish, then this might be due to the true tone option, so you can turn this option off as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.